Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am back with another video. So the first thing we're going to do is I'm going to go in with this Elite 99 blue gel polish, and I do not know the number to this because they're usually at the bottom of the bottle and my number's usually erased. So then I'm going to pour this glitter over it, and this glitter is from Dollar Tree, so check out your Dollar Tree for that. Alrighty, so once again we're going to apply this blue gel polish by Elite 99, and before you cure it you want to sprinkle the glitter over the top of the nail, and make sure you turn your client's finger to the side. Make sure you get the sides with the glitter as well, and then you just want to tap it to get that excess glitter off the top of the nail, and then we're going to cure that for 60 seconds. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go in with this Madame Glam white gel polish, and I'm just going to do this ring finger on this hand, and this will be a nail with a couple of black stripes on it. Then I'm going to go back in with the blue gel polish by Elite 99, and I'm going to polish her middle finger and her thumb, and then we're going to cure those for 30 seconds. I also forgot to mention that when you're doing glitter nails, you want to do those first because the glitter does get everywhere. So as you can see, I just dusted the nail off to make sure that it doesn't get on any of the other nails. But once again, we're doing the other hand, and I'm going to do this middle finger white, and then we're going to do the pinky and the thumb with the blue gel polish, and we're going to cure those for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so now I'm going to go ahead and apply my glue for my foil, and this glue does not have a name on it, but I will have it on my website pretty soon, as well as some foil. So that glue, you basically just want to leave it on there until it turns clear. And we're going to go back to the other hand and do a second coat of that white and the blue, and we're going to cure those for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so as you can see, it's clear now, so I'm just applying the foil, and with this foil you just literally dab the foil on, and I am going to apply a little bit more glue because I wanted to add some pink, and by the time I got to the pink it wasn't enough space for it to stick to, so I applied more glue and I'm going to let that dry. So now I'm using my Broadway nail art paint, and you can find these at Dollar General. They're only $1. And I'm just going to do 3 stripes on this white nail, one in the middle and then 2 or 1 on each side. Going back to my full nail now, and as you can see, I just applied a little bit of pink in this holographic one. So remember, whenever you're doing the foil, you want to make sure that you wait until the glue turns completely clear, and it doesn't take very long. Now I'm using my Elite 99 white gel polish to do the drip effect. So I literally just do like a little circle and then I drag it down. So as you can see, I do like a little circular motion, and then I drag it down, and then I connect the little dots at the bottom, if that makes sense. But yes, I am using my Madame Glam white gel polish, and you can do this with regular polish as well, but I'm just using this Madame Glam, and we're going to cure those for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so I'm going to do the same thing on this hand. I'm going to go ahead and apply my glue, and remember, you want to wait until that glue turns clear before you apply the foil on there. So now I'm going to go back in with my Broadway nail art paint, and I'm just doing 1 stripe down the middle and then 1 on each side. And same thing for this thumb with the drip effect. You do like a little circle and then you drag it down, and I just do 1 long and then the other 2 just a little bit shorter, so they're not all the same height. And remember, you connect the little dots down at the bottom, and we're going to cure that hand for another 30 seconds. Alrighty, so I'm going to go back into the drip now, and I'm just going to outline that white with some black, and I'm using my same Broadway nail art paint. And once again, I am just going to trace that white with this black. Alrighty, so I'm going back to my foil now, and remember, you want to wait till it's clear. As you can see here, it's all the way clear, so we're going to go ahead and apply the foil. And remember, you can go back and add more foil if you need it. And then another thing is, when you're applying your foil, you want to make sure that the color of the foil is facing you and not the other way around, because if not, none of the foil will stick to the nail. And now I'm going to go in with a couple of rhinestones. So I have some blue ones, and then I'm going to use my regular SS6 and SS12 rhinestones. And I am restocking my website pretty soon, so stay tuned for that. I'm just waiting to get a little bit of time off from school so I can ship out everything in a timely manner. But yes, I'm using my Mia Secret, or sorry, not my Mia Secret, but my wax pencil, which I have on my website as well, and my Mia Secret gel resin glue, which is pretty good. The only thing about it is it takes a little bit longer to dry than the Big Bondini, but I haven't bought the Big Bondini in a while, but they are both good. But once again, this Mia Secret does take a little bit longer to dry, and I believe they sell like a little spray, I think it's called an activator, which helps it dry faster, but I haven't bought it. And then for this foil now, we're gonna do the same thing. Well, not the same thing, but we're just applying a couple of rhinestones to that middle of the nail where the smile line is, and that's gonna be it for that. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and apply my gel top coat, and I am using my IBD non-cleanse gel top coat, which you can find on eBay, and I'll leave the link in the description. And then we're going to cure this for 60 seconds. So same thing for this hand, we're going to apply the rhinestones on the middle finger and the index finger, and I'm using the same size rhinestones. I'm using the blue ones, my SS6 and my SS12, and then we're going to apply a top coat, or well, first I'm going to do the outline on the drip nail, and then I'm going to do my top coat. Alrighty, and I also forgot to mention that when you're doing glitter nails, you want to make sure that you do your top coat on those last, because a lot of the time there could be loose glitter still left on the top of the nail. So to keep it from getting all over your other nails, you just want to go back and do that one last. And then I also like to do an extra layer of top coat on my foil nail, just to make sure that it's secure on the nail and it doesn't come off. So remember, you want to do the glitter nails last, that way it doesn't get the glitter all on your brush. Alrighty, so this is the final look. They turned out so pretty, they're so shiny, and I really like this set. So I hope everybody enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook at GetNailed32, and stay tuned for more videos to come.